Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to add members to your community on WhatsApp Web using your PC. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone if needed. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find the Communities section. Click on it to access your communities. Next, select the community you want to manage. Once inside, click on the name of the community at the top of the screen. This will open up the community's details and settings. Now, look for the Add Member option. Click on it to start adding new members to your community. A list of your contacts will appear. From here, simply select the people you want to add by clicking on their names. After selecting the desired members, confirm your choices by clicking the Confirmation button. And that's it. The selected members are now part of your WhatsApp community. This new update makes managing communities on WhatsApp Web easier than ever. Whether you're organizing a group for work, friends, or hobbies, these steps ensure a smooth process for adding members directly from your PC. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Happy connecting.